Hi, welcome to Peace Donkeys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this dog collar. So this is a double KBK bar dog collar, and I've just made it non-adjustable. It's quite a wide collar. Just use orange and black cord. I used 20 feet of each colour for a 17-inch section of cord. The total dog collar was around about 20.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and show you how to make this dog collar. So first off, you want to attach your paracord to your ring with a cow's hitch, and then you'll do the same with your second piece of cord. So once you've got both your cords attached to your ring, you want to secure that in some way. I'm just using a bar clamp here that we've modified with a couple of screws in each end just to hold the work in place. Okay, so I've pulled these through. I'm just going to take that piece over to the right side around the back and bring those two cords through there just with a knot. Just tighten that up a smidge. And then just the same on the other side, feed that cord up through there. Tighten those up. Just put a bit of tension on that work there. Okay, so I'm going to start with the black cord, and it's going to come across the front of these two centre strands. Then the orange cord's going to go over the top of the black strand, up in between the two centre strands, below the black strand. Then it'll go back down over the top of the black that's in the centre there. Then it'll come underneath and back up through this loop that's here. So now you just want to straighten all that up, see how it's all twisted. So I just want those to stay nice and uniform if I can. And just tighten those up. Okay, so this time the orange is going to go across the front. Then the black's going to come over the top of the orange. It'll come up through the middle, below the orange strand. Then it's going to go over the orange strand, back down through the middle, and then it'll come underneath, back up through the right hand loop. And then we'll pull those through. And again, you'll just neaten those up. It's a bit of a tricky one to do, just because it takes a bit of neatening up after you've done the braid. Okay, so this time the black's going to come across the centre. The orange will go over the top, then underneath, up through the middle, down through the centre there, and then up through the loop on the right hand side. And again, you just need to neaten all of that up. It doesn't pull through easily like an ordinary cobra knot, so you just need to go a little bit at a time. Okay, so this time the orange is going to come across the front. Black goes over the orange, up through the middle. Back over the top, down through the middle, and then underneath the right hand strand and up through the right hand side. So just tighten that up as you go, gently. We're ready to go again. Okay, so black goes across the centre, orange comes over that, up through the middle. Back over the black strand, down through the middle above it, and then around the back. And up through the right hand side loop. Okay, now the orange side. Come across the centre, black goes over the top, up through the middle, down through the middle, and then back up through the right hand side. Okay, one last lap. The black over the centre, then orange over the top of the black, up through the middle. Over the black strand, down through the middle, underneath, and then back up through the right hand loop. And that's pretty much it. You just keep continuing with that pattern until you get to the end. And you can cut and melt, and then that's your dog collar finished. Okay, so we're nearly at the end here, and you can see that pattern coming through quite nicely there on the dog collar. Okay, so to finish off this, I'm just going to put my cord through a fid. So just cut off the ends and melt. So I'm just going to weave this back underneath part of the collar. You might just poke that through to the other side. And I'll cut those and melt. So really just cut all your ends, weave them back through to wherever it is you want them to be, and melt those in place. Do a black one. I'm going to just put that through to the other side. Just cut that off fairly close. Give that a melt there. If you don't squash those down, that just leaves a nice smooth little bead on the end. Sometimes when you squash it down with a knife, that can actually become quite rough and abrasive. So just depends what you want to do. If you want to really squash it onto the other cord, you can, or you can leave that as a bead like that, so that it doesn't, it's not abrasive on your dog's neck. Okay, so this, if you push that onto there, you can see the difference from when it's squashed to when it's just left as a bead. So yeah, that's a decision you can make which way to do it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.